Hey, it's Nightmare Marinette 484 here, back. And so, sorry for the mix-up. So, we're actually going to do 4 more tournaments. We're actually going to do 2 more tournaments. You can see we're going to go like this and see who can go the farthest down. Okay, we're going to start with this car. Ooh, it went that far. Now let's go with this car. Same. Ooh, that went a little bit farther. Now let's go with this one. Ooh, that went a little. That car just hit. You can see the front. You can see that the front hit right there and then bounced all the way over here. So we can see that car already won. We have to do a rematch of these two because they have to get different farthest. Ooh, this guy went just past that. Ooh, gotta do 2 more again. Because since green number 46 hit the blue one, so we have to do these 2 again. Let's start with this car. Number 8. Ooh, number 8 just went right in. Ooh! I guess the dinosaur car won this round again. You can see that went right there. See right there. And you can see the winner. Right there. Now let's go make it to the other train now. Okay? We're gonna go to the longest, bumpiest train ever. It's gonna be exciting, guys. I hope you love this video, and make sure you leave a like. And make sure you subscribe for me, okay? So, let's do this. I'm gonna put the winner up front now. And we're gonna line these cars up and see who can win. It's actually gonna 5 turns. Let's see. Ooh, that just hit. I'm going as fast as I can. Let's see who's the farthest. Oh, yeah, you can see I have a basketball court. So you can see the Skylanders car went right there. This one went right here, right there. Then you can see this one run all the way over here. You can see this hit this right there, bounced right there. So now we have to do this car against this car. Against this car, against 4 cars now. See who wins that finals. Okay, guys, let's go. I didn't go that far. Ooh, you can see that. Ooh, that was pretty cool. Let's see who went the farthest. You can see the Scorpion car lost. So that car went right there. Ooh, I think we found our winner. We got our winner right here. Boom. The winner. Now let's see if the winner wins. See, all the dirt cars can go the farthest now. That was just for other cars. Now this is for dirt cars only. So we only have 3 dirt cars. Let's see who can go the farthest. Ooh, that didn't go that far. Ooh! So you can see that car went right there. This car went right there. Then you can see this car went right there. So I see we have a dirt car winner. Let's see if we can make it all the way back. Ooh, that one hit the dirt. Sorry, guys. you have a little something.